Welcome to day 20. We are at the end of our second section of our 30-day tapping challenge. So congratulations on making it this far. You guys have really been pushing through, and hopefully being at the last day of our topic of reconnecting with the body and showing self-love, hopefully you are feeling that a little bit more. Hopefully you're feeling a little bit more grounded from our first 10 days. And now you're feeling more connected and close, and like you have a more loving relationship with your bodies. Today is our last day on that topic, and there is still just a little bit more work to do in that topic. So today I chose for us the topic of letting go of self-judgment. We've worked to rebuild that relationship with our bodies, and now we want to work on making sure we don't tear that relationship apart. And self-judgment is a very natural thing. Oftentimes that self-judgment just runs quietly in the background of our minds. We may not even hear it out loud. It's just in our subconscious. Maybe we're commenting on how we look or how we feel or how we're handling things or if we're doing enough. And if you're on a breast cancer healing journey, that may sometimes be thoughts like, I should have caught this sooner, or I'm not strong enough, or why can't I be better at this? And these thoughts may at times feel as if they're trying to protect us, but in reality, they actually create more stress and guilt and disconnection from our bodies, which we have worked so hard to build up. So let's tap to get rid of these discrediting self-judgment thoughts. So we're going to start on that karate chop point, which is the same. So start by tapping there and taking some nice big deep breaths. And as you're taking those deep breaths, I want to remind you, as I have the last 20 days now, I'm not a EFT trained therapist, so you are the one who's in control here. Take full responsibility of your health. Only do what feels comfortable for you. And do seek professional help if you need to go deeper. So on this karate chop point, repeat after me if you feel comfortable. Even though I often judge myself harshly, I choose to accept myself with compassion today. Even though part of me believes I should be doing more, looking better, feeling better, I honor the part of me that is still trying. Even though I have carried this inner critic for a long time, I am open to softening that voice and inviting kindness in instead. Move on to that eyebrow point. I hear that voice inside of me, side of the eye, the one that says I'm not doing enough. Under the eye, the one that criticizes how I look or feel. Under the nose, the one that makes me question myself. Under the mouth, that voice has been so loud lately. Collarbone, and it's hard to feel at peace when I'm judging myself. Under the arm, it's like I can't do anything right. Top of the head. And I can see how heavy this has become. Eyebrow. This constant self-criticism is exhausting. Side of the eye. It's wearing me down. Under the eye. I've been trying so hard. Under the nose. And still, that voice finds fault. Under the mouth. I am tired of beating myself up. Collarbone. I want to feel proud of myself. Under the arm. I want to feel enough. Top of the head. Even in the middle of healing. Eyebrow. So what if I could be kinder to myself today? Side of the eye. What if I could offer the same grace that I give to others. Under the eye, I've done the best I could with what I knew. Under the nose, and I've shown up time and time again. Under the mouth, even when I was scared. Collarbone, even when I felt lost. Under the arm, and that deserves love, not judgment. Top of the head, I'm starting to see myself with softer eyes. Eyebrow, I release the belief that I have to be perfect. Side of the eye, I let go of that harsh inner critic. Under the eye, I release the shame that I've carried. Under the nose, I let go of punishing thoughts. Under the mouth, I no longer need to judge myself to be safe. Collarbone, I can be my own ally now. Under the arm, I can speak to myself with love. Top of the head, I can be enough exactly as I am. Eyebrow. So I choose to speak to myself with compassion. Take a nice big deep breath here. Side of the eye, I am doing enough. Under the eye, I am allowed to rest. Under the nose, I am allowed to grow. Under the mouth, I choose to nurture myself gently. Collarbone, I honor my progress instead of expecting perfection. Under the arm, I am learning to love myself more and more each day. Top of the head, I am worthy of my own kindness. Amazing. Take a nice big deep breath. And just like that, you have finished day 20. Only 10 more days to come. Tomorrow, I will be announcing what our next theme will be for the next 10 days. So I'm really excited to show you guys what that theme will be. But thank you so much for sticking it through with me this long, getting through day 20. If you are someone who has been curious or are interested in learning more about our coaching programs, please reach out to Ginger. Her email is support@breastcancerconqueror.com, and she can tell you all about our different programs and help you figure out if one of them is a good fit for you. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow on day 21.